20 minutes away for a good hike.
Oh,
People
yeah, absolutely.
complain about getting out of the city.
I think you enjoy hiking on an edible.
I'm stoked for that.
Oh, yeah,
I've never,
absolutely. It's like God's IMAX, but I've done it before. It's like
that's so therapeutic. Just looking out.
How do you feel right now?
I mean, I'm still sober.
Yeah?
Are you? Like,
I'm feeling it, man. I had 3 though. You only had 2. You want another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're taking another one.
I don't think I'm gonna like get. You can't be too high.
No, you can't be too high for a hike. Yes. Looks good, just get in the car. Okay, give me the thing. Give me the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Well, we are pulling up. We are pulling up here, buddy.
You know, you didn't have to drive. I was totally cool.
I think it only made sense.
Yeah.
For me to drive.
Dude, today was amazing.
So much fun, man.
Let's do that again next week.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. I'll hit
Cool,
you up.
man.
Later.
Take care.